The southern yellow-billed hornbill is found from southern Angola and Namibia eastwards to southern Malawi, western Mozambique, and the northern part of South Africa. Clucking, growling, and screeching in Africa's dry acacia woods and scrub. Southern yellow-billed hornbills defend their territories and send out echoing alarm signals. A common sight throughout much of the savanna of southern Africa, hornbills are instantly recognizable because of their extraordinary oversized bill. They also have unique and highly specialized nesting habits. Moving with a slow undulating flight interspersed with long glides, the southern yellow-billed hornbill wends its way over its woody range, occasionally emitting a loud raucous or yelping kee call. Usually it is a sedentary bird, remaining within its territory except when it discovers a good feeding area elsewhere. In the morning, the hornbill enjoys basking and preening its feathers in the sunshine. During the day, it spends much of its time on the ground and runs around with its tail in the air, now and then jumping up into a nearby bush to scan the ground. In the afternoon, it may have a dust bath in order to cool and clean itself. The hornbill may travel as far as 10 kilometers during the day to seek out food, returning at dusk. Despite its size, the hornbill uses its huge bill with dexterity to pick up even the small